This is my first time. I know there is a lot of people coming here to have a different and deep experience. So I was trying to see that and connect with people more. I'm from to this local indigenous community in Costa Rica, British people, and we have one perspective about life and about culture and how you have to treat the land, you know. For us, it's everything about connection, it's everything about intention, it's about like how you can express yourself in a pure way, having like that honesty and that pure connection with everything, you know. The nature is so pure here, but people don't know, that they don't realize why this land is so rich, and you have to pay attention and people who was here before, people who fight for this, including people who died for this land. That's why like we have this beautiful river, mountain, ocean, and like people here are so nice. That's why, you know. I just feel like being working with indigenous people for so long and like try to not only to like teach them how to use the land and how to create sustainable business, I can teach for sure and like share more about my culture, like my origin, and so people can know like what does it mean be indigenous man, what it mean be not only indigenous, what it being a human in this world, you know, understanding like we have a lot of like suffering, pain, and we are struggling, but we don't have to be like that. We are together as a brother, we are together as a team, and if we work together like this, we can achieve everything, you know, we can make this world much better, you know. So yeah, that is something that I would like to share with people, you know.